Hi everyone, welcome again to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to configure ability to copy a change request in ServiceNow. If you don't know about change request, what is change request in ServiceNow, then consider watching my previous video. I will also include the URL in description tab so that you are able to understand how and why it is required to change request. We can configure the ability to copy a change request, record, and its dealing using system properties. When we talk about this, we need to have the administrator login credentials. Without that, we cannot perform these operations. When we talk about how to change ability to copy a change request, this will include the disable the ability to copy a change request, disable the ability to copy attachment, determines the components of the source change request that are copied. So let's see how we can perform this operation practically. When we want to do or set the configurations or properties in the administrator sections, we have to go to change. Then from here, we need to navigate it into its administration section, change policy. From here, in the change property, click on the change properties. You will find it out, change the request task, which is engine. So in some properties, we found that using system properties list in the application navigates as noted. Let's say we have disable section. So inside the disable sections, you will feel change request as approval engine. We can provide approval rules or process guides. So that all we can copy it. Then here we can change risk calculation method, business rule calculation, insert and update UI action calculates only a demand. None of the disability we can capable. So we can either keep none business rule and UI actions. And here enable copy change features. We have to click on yes. So this will set enable copy change features, which will help us to com.snc.change request enable copy to false. Disable the ability to copy an attachment. So you can see here copy attachment from the originating change. This will set copy attachment from origination change. This is how we can set these two parameters. Then we have the disable the ability to copy attachment from the change task. We can see here we can enforce change request, process data requirement, modification, change request, and several other components like REST and SOAP API and JavaScript. If we want to list or the contributions list, we can update the changes. We can also add some additional field. If we want to impact CI service related list generated from the all CI list is affected CI related list, then also we can select yes or no. We can also configure attributes to be copied. So these all are attributes which is by default available. We can add the additional field. So added the list of the value like list of attributes, comma separated that will be copied from the originating change. To remove or add more attributes, for example, to prevent assigned to attribute from being copied, remove the assigned to value. So this is the assigned to. If you want to remove it, you can remove it easily. Then configure related list to be copied, like related list which needs to be copied, you can add it. The system property is located in the system properties table. The following related list are copied by affected CIs, DMB CI, then service change task service offering. You can add or remove according to your requirement. This is again a comma separated value. We can configure this property to control the copy functionality of the affected CI, impacted services or CI, and change task related list. We cannot add any other related list to the property. Configure attributes of the default related list to be copied. We can configure and set it to here. In the populate the service offering related list from the impacted service CI related list. We can also add this. Then after adding or changing all of these definitions, simply click on save and this field will be completed successfully. And you can see this parameter is set. To complete the following steps to further customize the ability to copy a change request by modifying a script include system definition, and here Go to system definitions. And inside the system definitions, you can simply navigate to script includes. You will find it out script include section here. So this is how we can change the ability to copy a change request in ServiceNow. Hope you enjoyed this. If you really think this is useful for the other user as well, consider sharing within your circle. Thank you for watching.